A quick update on AIOZ network here. So AIOZ from the high all the way back here, this is where the fib is drawn. It's just pulled over. But from the 2021 high here on AIOZ, this is where we got stuck. We wicked above it, so that is good. We made a higher high. Now, the other thing I would point out, we'll go on another fib here in just a moment. It looks like the macro bottom is in here. I mean, it looks just like PNG. We ended up coming all the way back down here, almost tagging the 618. But if you just look at the overall chart, and if we were to draw, which I'll just go ahead and draw it here so you can get a visual, but this area of volume here and the spot that we hit, you can clearly see there's an area of support and resistance in this area, depending on where you want to draw this at, but you can clearly see it here on the overall macro chart. So I would have to say the bottom is in on AIOZ. It should not go any lower than this. Now, the other thing we're going to do is we're going to go from the ultimate low to the high. We're on the weekly candles, by the way, on AIOZ here. So we should start bouncing. Yeah, see, we hit the 382, 618 area. So we are still macro bullish and macro bottom is in, I would have to say. As long as you're over 20 to 21, this thing should start moving up. Breaking over 42 to 43 is your next big price. A short-term price to watch, since we are on the weekly, we'll go down to the 3-day candles here, and we'll give you a price to watch to see when the short-term bottom is going to be put in here. We go from the high to the low here. So short-term, if we can get over about 32, bottom is in. Bullish over the 786, 382, 42 to 43 here. So just keep those prices in mind. So the big question is, if that is the macro bottom on AIOZ here, which I think it is, then where's this thing going to end up? Of course, rather, the first target is, and maybe the price we're looking at is $4, 427, 430 range. You can see that is almost a 1,500% move. So a 16x from this bottom here is very possible. If it's going to go higher than that, we do have the next target here for almost a 10 billion market cap. That would take you up to $8. Maybe you wick up and hit 10, you get a 30x. And even up to probably rather, I can't speak today, about a 38x. So what are your thoughts on AIOZ at this point? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.